Hello, everyone. Merry Christmas. How are you doing? The 25th of December 2025. 25. How was your Christmas? How are you doing? Welcome to today's video. What's the time? It's around 9 p.m. Almost 10 p.m. on a Christmas day. Anyway, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Bet. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please, I'm actually requesting you to subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I was thinking if we can go to 1,000 before even the end of the year, but the way things are going, it's very tricky. It's very, very tricky. Yes, this is a video I've been thinking of doing and postponing and procrastinating and everything. Yeah. Anyway, um, as just said, welcome to this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly please subscribe. Kindly subscribe. It is not easy to be a content creator. So that being said, I want to tell you that recently I acquired my few equipments. I acquired a few equipments to actually help me or assist me in this content creation journey. For example, I'm sitting facing a ring light and a stand. Yes, that tells you that I acquired a ring light and a stand and mini tripod. I also acquired a tripod, a small one. I want you to know that I am now serious with content creation. I'm on a serious venture. Sometimes content creation can be a business. So recently I acquired a ring light and a stand, and also this one. This is a mini tripod. It's called J Mary. J Mary. You can see J Mary mini tripod. So it can also be a stand because I can put it like this and record. Can also do this way and record. That is after putting this one, after locking this one here, right, like this way. This is multi-purpose actually. This is multi-purpose. Put it like that. Can also lock it from here, like that. You can see there's a hole here. I can convert it to this is landscaping, on a landscaping mode, and this one is on which is landscaping, because I can also put it like this one, and this one I can use on this stand. So I've not even used it, but very soon I'll be using it like this. What's up guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Mr. Bet. Please subscribe like that. So subscribe to this channel. So on today's video guys, I'm going to unbox Christmas gift that I got from a friend. A friend of mine gifted me Christmas gift, and I want to be unboxing it right now without actually wasting much time. I'm going to unbox right away. In the meanwhile, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance, 2026. This year has not been that easy. It has been a journey. But we thank God for this far. We are now. It's just by God's grace that we are here. We didn't have anything to protect ourselves. You didn't have a gun. I didn't have a gun. Generally, God has been merciful to us, and we thank God for this far. As we pray that may God can grant us mercy so that we can see the year 2026, which is forthcoming. Yes, let me go straight to the point of today. I'm gonna be unboxing. Look at this, look at it, look at this. Christmas gift from a good friend of mine. Sometimes when you have friends, you're gonna be receiving such gifts. So if you can see it right here, Kenya Association of Air Operators. Kenya Association of Air Operators. There's something like a propeller here and a jet. Oh, Kenya Association of Air Operators. Yeah. So we're about to unbox this one. Which one can I start? Let me start with this one. I have a notebook right here. A brand new notebook. You can see EFL. Do you know what's the meaning of EFL? I know. That is an assignment to you. Please write down in the comment section the meaning of EFL. Please, guys, leave a sweet comment right below the comment section. So I have this notebook. It can also be a diary, as you can see. Yes. To write down, I'll be writing down my future here. Thank you so much. We go to item number 2, gift number 2. So this is a pen and a notebook. Let's go to which one? Let's go to this one. I had already opened it, so I will not be pretending. I can't pretend to be surprised. I'm just showing you this gift because you wanna see. But to me, I had already opened it and checked what is inside. This is a water bottle. You can see. Water bottle. Very classic, modern one. You can see. Yes. Very nice one. It's around a liter. It's 1 liter capacity. I think almost 1 liter, if not a liter. So let me put it here. Once unboxed, let me put it there. Give me this one. Very nice. Can you see? Now let's go to this one, the biggest. 1, 2, 3. Look at it, man. Look at this. For the first time in my life, someone is gifting me this one. It's brand new, guys. Don't think it is already open. No, it is not even open. Already new. It's new. Brand new. Crans. Triple wood. Blended Scotch whiskey. Matured in 3 different types of wood. This one is, this company has been in existence since 1887. You can see 1887. It's called VM Grant and Sons. For the first time, I'm receiving this in my life. And it will be for the first time I'm tasting this one. This one I will not leave this one, guys. This one, hey, I've not been drinking. I don't know how alcohol taste, but I've tasted a little bit of wine. This one I've never tasted. This is a whiskey. I've never tasted such, and I believe it is going to be awesome. Yes, this one. Oh, let me put it this one. I want it to fall down. We can't risk this one. Ooh, the last one. The last one in this basket. Is this a basket or a bucket or a bag? All the same. Let's go to the last in this one. Can you read? Can you read this one? Ethiopian cargo and logistics. I don't know this one. I can't read this one. It's not clear. Ethiopian cargo and logistics. Yeah. Let's see what is inside. It's here. I was taking tea here. I forgot. So this thing is a cargo plane. This is a cargo plane. If you can see it does not have the windows. This tells you that it's a cargo plane. This one. And here are its parts. Let me assemble quickly. Let me assemble quickly so that you can see what it is. Oh. I'm going to assemble. It's this way, right? No. Yeah, this way. Let me do it. Right, quickly. Going to do it quickly. Am I doing right? Am I doing it right or no? Shit. Let me. These are plain. So I have this one. I don't know how this one is fixed here. Is it supposed to be? I guess it's supposed to be entering this, but I don't know how. I'll do it later. I'll just do it later. Then there is this one. Oh, I don't know if I'm doing it right. I don't want to break it. Quickly, sorry for wasting your time. Please, I'm not wasting your time. I'm just assembling so that you can see this kind of gift from a good friend of mine. Ethiopian gag. Thank you, my friend. So I'm putting this one here. I think it's supposed to be like this. Yes. And then this one I'll fix later. I don't know exactly. Is it supposed to be like this? Or like inside here? Should be inside. I don't know how this is supposed to be fixed. This one is Boeing 777F ET Ethiopian ALM Ethiopian cargo. So guys, up to there. All this. Thank you for this gift. Thank you so much. So thank you guys, and thank you my friend for this gift of Christmas. I really appreciate. I really appreciate, and thank you so much. I'm gonna be fixing it somewhere. I'm trying. I want to hold everything for thumbnail. Let me do it like this. Oh. This is for thumbnail. Anyway, I wanna say thank you for this gift. So my Christmas is sorted. I wanna welcome you guys to this one. I don't know if I can launch it right now. Can I launch it now? Let me launch it. Yeah, this one. Blessed. So thank you so much for watching up to this far, and I appreciate for your support. Thank you for this gift from a friend of mine. I'm really saying thank you. I'm thankful. I appreciate for everything. I don't even know what to say, but all in all, I'm saying thank you. Thank you for watching up to this far. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for being my fan since we started this channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate, and I don't take anything for granted. I'm just overwhelmed by this gift. Yes, I want to end this video from there. I'm wishing you happy holidays, happy Christmas, and happy New Year in advance. 2025, 2026. Continue subscribing, continue supporting me. Please leave a sweet comment down below. And also, my WhatsApp number is just there on my bio. You can check me out anytime. I appreciate any support, either financially and any support from you. But the best support you can give me for now is subscribing to this channel, which I really appreciate. Thank you so much. I'm signing out with this plane coming towards you. Cargo.